It's a perfectly lovely day here in Cleveland, and I know you really would love to be here in the snow. It happens to be about 0 degrees right now here in University Heights, and you think of snow as being one of those really quiet things. Well, of course, when a car comes by, it's noisy, but I'm just going to start walking in this snow. This is what we call the grunch of snow. Isn't that an amazing sound? And we're going to grunch only for you. And I'll look back at the house, and we'll just walk back in. A bit windy, you can hear the wind chimes going this morning.